Today we will start exercise 4.3. The question first is, draw the graph of each of the following linear equations in two variables. We have an equation that is in two variables and we have to draw its graph. So first part is x plus y is equal to 4. Now I have already told you then when we draw a graph for any linear equation in two variables, the first step is we have to find its two solutions. So first of all, if I put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0, then the value of y is, it implies y is x is 0, 0 plus y is equal to 4. So y is equal to 4. So first solution is 0, 4. Now second solution, put y is equal to 0, and if you are putting y is equal to 0, then x plus 0 is equal to 4. It means x is equal to 4. So 4, 0 is second solution. Now we have two solutions that are satisfying the given equation and we have to draw its graph. So first of all, we will plot the points or we will plot the solutions. In a graph paper, on a graph paper, see, it is x-axis and it is y-axis. Now start. It is 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 5. Same for y-axis, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here it is -1, -2, -3 and -1, -2 and -3 and -4. Now first solution is 0, 4. It means x is 0 and y is 4. Where is y is equal to 4? This is the line for y-axis and y is equal to 4 is here. And see, on this axis, on this y-axis, x coordinate is always 0. Why? Because there is no value for x on this particular axis. So this is the point that you can say 0, 4. Now come to second point. Second solution is 4, 0. It means x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. So x is equal to 4. Where is x is equal to 4? And on this x-axis, the value of y coordinate is always 0 because there is no value of y on this particular axis. So you can say that 4, 0 is the point here. Now what you have to do? You have to just make a line by joining these 2 points. So join these 2 points 0, 4 and 4, 0. Make a straight line. And this straight line is the equation of x plus y is equal to 4. Now you can check easily that every point that is lying on this line will satisfy this equation. For example, if I say x here, it is point x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. I am taking this point. For this point, x-axis is 3 and y is 1. So 3, 1. Now put 3, 1. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. It is satisfying. So we can easily see that every point lying on the line is satisfying the equation. Now come to fourth part. Fourth part is 3 is equal to 2x plus y. So first step is we will put y is equal to 0 or x is equal to 0. If I put x is equal to 0, put x is equal to 0. Then y will be x is equal to 0. So y will be 3. Put x is equal to 1. It will give you 2 plus y is equal to 3 and it will give you y is equal to 1. Okay. So from here you can say that 0, 3 solution and from here you can say that 1, 1 is a solution. Now for another point, put y is equal to 7. If I put y is equal to 7, then 2x plus 7 is equal to 3. So 2x is equal to 3 minus 7, that is -4. and x is equal to -2. It implies minus 2 comma 7 is also a solution. So we have three solutions, 0, 3, 1, 1 and minus 2 comma 7. Now we will draw the graph. First of all, see, it is y-axis, it is x-axis. Now, where is the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? And here it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now see, here minus 1, minus 2. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3 and minus 4. First point is 0, 3. Where is 0, 3? 0 means x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 3. First point is here on y-axis. Second point is, if I am putting x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. It means this axis. Now, third point is, x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 7. X is equal to minus 2 is here and y is equal to 7 is here. So, minus 2 comma 7. Now, join these points. Join these points to make a line. And this line is the equation for 2x plus y is equal to 3. This is the required equation. So from these two parts, we have learned that if we have any equation in two variables, then we can draw its graph easily.